Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you our 75 GMC Jimmy Custom by All the Way, because if you notice on the front end, that is 81 to 86 fender and hood. So they customized it by putting the new style front end, and as a 75, it still has a full top. So really unique, and it is a custom all the way, 6-liter. I'm gonna be honest, when I first got it, we couldn't get it to run, and finally we just it ran like crap, and we threw they did a cheap way to do a 6-liter. They used an OEM computer and hacked in some wiring. We threw that away, put a Holley Terminator X Max system in it. Runs and shifts like a dream now. So if you do them right, them 6-liters work great, the LS conversions. If you don't, they're a pain. So they must have put new weather stripping in here and kind of maybe a new window from Chinese, I'm going to call it, because it fits very poorly. And then of course on all these full top ones, you get some of that there. Custom interior. Here the door handles kind of biting into there, or the window crank. Otherwise, really, really nice. Dash is good. DAKOTA digital gauges. We put the Holley box that talks to the gauges, so gauges work, tack works, and this door shuts. I'll roll the window down because it shuts pretty good, and when that ain't hitting, pretty typical on new weather strips. So probably paint's a little older on it. There's a chip here and there. They must have painted the tailgate different. As you can see, just a little bit different orange. Got some runs in it. I mean, I'm full disclosure on everything we do here. So, not trying to badmouth it down, but just showing you so you know exactly what you're getting. You can buy it without coming and looking. Obviously, a lift kit. It's a cool truck. You definitely won't lose it in the parking lot, and you'll get lots of compliments. And runs like a watch with that new Holley system that's running the fuel injection. So really, really cool GMC Jimmy, and kind of a neat build. Let's start up our 75 GMC Jimmy. 6-liter Holley fuel injection on it. There's your gauges all working. There's your stereo. Horn does not work. Your wipers are a little slow. I'll show you the light spot. Sounds awesome. I think about 132 miles since they put the gauges in, because when I got it, they just threw them in there. I wired them all up. We got everything talking to it. Plus you also have your handheld here. We don't have this mounted. I'll let you mount it where you want it. And you see the air's kicked in. Nice build after we kind of tweaked on it. There's your Terminator. There's your headlights. Even if you're not going to buy this, and you're going to build one, do not build it with an OEM computer. Build it with the Holley system. No better way to go. So you can see all the lights work. Good sound and exhaust. Just a cool truck. We're driving our 75 GMC Jimmy. Just put a Holley Terminator X Max to manage the fuel and the tranny. Boy, it works great. We were having a fit with the old, whoever built this used the OEM, and just do not do that. I've said that 3 times now, but I mean it between all my videos. This thing just runs like a top now, shifts good, good driving rig. Wind noise, I got the window now. but it does have some wind noise. These old 75, 373, well actually 69 to 75s do not seal the best, these old tops. Brakes work well, steers good. For a lifted truck, it really works nice. So, this is a cool rig. Take the top off and have some fun with it. 605-695-7391.